The dishwasher has become an important thing in our life. Of course, for saving time and energy, right? Our dishwasher has a large capacity, tall tube design with 14 place settings, allowing you to wash a large array of dishes at once. There's a 3 wash cycle options provide flexibility to select the type of cleaning that best suits your lot. So you don't have to waste water and energy when washing smaller loads. The 3 wash cycles are heavy, light, and normal, with 2 additional options like high heat wash and high heat no heat dry wash. So ensure your dishes are thoroughly cleaned. So make sure you select the correct option. So there is a detergent dispenser and rinse aid dispenser located in an easy to access compartment in the door. The upper rack accommodates the standard dishware and glasses and small bowls, and the lower one is for heavy dishes.